Hello everybody, this is Young Bro. Today we are learning how to make Mapo Tofu. Mapo Tofu is a dish from the Chinese city of Chengdu and Sichuan province. Sichuanese food is known for spiciness. These are the Chinese characters for Mapo Tofu. Ma means spicy, Po means aunt or an elderly woman, Dou means bean, while Fu means fermented. Fermented beans are known as tofu in Chinese. Now let's look at the ingredients. Ingredient is known as shicai in Chinese. Firstly, of course, we need tofu. As I explained above, tofu means fermented beans. We also need meat mince, which is called 肉末 in Chinese. We also need bean paste, which is known as doubanjiang in Chinese. Apart from these ingredients, we also need spring onion, garlic, as well as chili powder, which is known as 葱, 蒜, 辣椒粉 in Chinese respectively. This is tofu. This is spring onion. This is garlic. This is bean paste. This is chili powder. And these are the meat mince used for Mapo Tofu. But probably we're not going to use up all the meat minces in this case. I'm just going to put some cooking oil into the pan. Be careful not to soften. Enough meat mince is ready, and I'm going to put it into a plate. Be very careful. Now I'm going to cut tofu into pieces. And after cut tofu into pieces, just put it into the bowl. Then just get some hot or warm water, pour it into the bowl until it submerges the tofu. Wait about 5 minutes. Now pour some oil into the cooking pan again. Turn the food on. Firstly, pour the bean paste in. And wait until the fragrant color, the fragrant smell is spread out. Now let's pour the chili paste in, garlic, as well as the spring onion. Just wait patiently until fragrant smell of all the ingredients becomes more visible. Now put the tofu in. we need some water. Turn the tofu around until all the tofu became colored. Oh, we probably need more water. After tofu seems to be ready, just put some meat in them. In this case, we just used a fraction of the meat. Now this may take a few minutes until it's all ready. Now it's ready. Yummy. It tastes so nice.